Assalamualaikum. My name is Anastazry bin Faizi. My metric number is CI20044, and I will be demonstrating my final year project. The title of my project is Integrated Safety Management System. Okay, so this is the login interface. So this is where the landing page of my system. Okay, first I'll demonstrate the admin view. Start with the admin. This is the admin. Okay, the admin will be directed to the dashboard if the login is successful. Now, let's see the manage users. So, this is the list of all users. As can be seen here, this is the button to add new users. This is the button to reset password. So when the admin, so this is for when any of the user forget their password. If any of the user forget their password, the admin will press this button, and then a random string will appear and will be used for as a temporary password for the user. This is in case the admin want to disable a user. So by pressing this, the user will be disabled and cannot use the system anymore. Let's start with adding a new user. So first, you need to insert your full name, email. The email must be a legit email, a worker ID, the employee phone number, the role, either the user is a supervisor, the project manager, or the SHO, the password. So it depends on the admin. The admin can give the user any password, any password. Okay, let's start with email. Start name will be Anastazry, and the email shall be worker ID will be CI2009. Phone number is uh, role of this user will be SH is the SH. Okay, password for the admin can be it can be anything. Let's just give it one one two three four 1234. Okay, let's register. The email has already been taken. Phone number has already been taken. Okay, so unfortunately, I don't have any email right now. Okay, so each user need to have a different email. Cannot have many user with the same email. That is plain wrong. Okay, let's just give a random number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Register. For now, okay, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then the user is registered successfully. This is the new user. So this is the email, chammasterthetruth@gmail.com. The worker ID, this is important, this will be used later on. And yes, so let's say uh, the admin forget the password for the user. So you just press the reset password. As can be seen here, a new password successfully reset successfully. A new password is HTLC BJRI. So let's copy this password and use it. So the password is 00091, and the password I will paste here. As can you see here? So, so this is so for new user will be prompted to a page where they need to change their password. This for security reasons, so that the password is only only they can know their own password. Let's say the new password is still the same. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then set. So the project manager, no, I forgot the role of this user, will be prompted, will be directed to the dashboard. Here, you can see the number of incidents in 2024. So this data is yearly. This line chart is yearly. In 2023, nothing. Okay, there's one incident happening. 22. Okay, we start the hierarchy module. No, no. I will start with the profile management module. So here, the user can upload their own signature if they want. Okay, this is for verification purpose later on. The user can also choose their profile picture if they want. Any profile picture they want. I will not demo right now. User can update their account. Maybe they want to change their name to, I don't know, Anastazry. Can also update their email, the phone numbers. Can also update their password if they want. So you can see here, Anastazry enter. Now we move on to the hierarchy module. So this is the list of all the hierarchies that has been that are currently in the system. So this is all just the dummy data. Uh, so the search function, well, this uses any keyword. It can be the person that prepare the hierarchy report, or the date or the location. But it's mainly used for the using the description of the hierarchy. Let's say for so can be seen here. Now I demonstrate to add the new report. Say the job description is this, the location is. Okay, I just use this. This will generate a random data. 2024 June. Okay. So signature is important. The user need to have their own need to sign uh, the highlight form that they have made. Okay, 26 successfully. Next. So job sequence. The job sequence is for the hazard. So this basically the description of the job that can cause the sequence of the job that can cause this hazard, and that hazard can what can cause that. Maybe the hazard is falling from is working at tall places, maybe. So it can cause what? It can cause falling to the ground, maybe. So let's do two here. I'm gonna use the form filter. Let's press next. So for this hazard, the user needs to input the risk, like uh, like what will happen if this hazard happen, and then the current control. What are the current countermeasures that are being implemented, if there are any? The likelihood of the incident, of the hazard happening, the severity of the hazard, if it happens, and the score, which will be calculated automatically. Uh, Now I use the form pillar, so this is very this is bad. Use this to okay. Okay, this will be changed later. So this is calculated automatically here. Here, let's press next. Yes, the okay. Now for the controls. So for each hazard, if there are any opportunity to improve it, it can be stated here. If there are new control that wants to be implemented, it can be stated here. And for this responsibility is the person that are responsible to implement the control measure for the hazard. And this is the status. Let's just see H. So this is an opportunity to demonstrate the audit trail. So any changes being made to the audit trail will be reflected here at this audit trail. First, Anastazry has created the risk data. This is the risk data. And then Anastazry has created the risk data. Okay. Let's say I've made some changes here. Let's say for example, I've changed this to 3. And then this is to control update 1. If I press next, okay. If I go back, huh, Anastazry has updated the risk data. So all the fields that are updated are reflected here. Is the article related to control update 1, severity 2 to 3, score 10 to 15, index M to H. It's like that. It's like that. Okay, we'll move on. Now for one. Next, let's find it. Okay, this is it. By Anastazry and check. And then I'll use the search function here. This it is dynamic. If I press edit here, it has this the higher data. The first created by when was this data is created here. Then I also have the created the higher data here. This is because there's two. There's one here. This is for this, and this is for this. So that's why there's two. So any update will reflect here. Let's say I want to update one. No. I don't want to create a new one. I just update these two. If we go back here, Anastazry has updated the highlight data. These are here, sync two. This can be seen here. Okay, next. And I think that is it for the high rep. Uh, for just the basic group operations. Maybe I want to delete. I'm going to say delete. Okay, now the high rep is deleted. Now we move on to the incident. This is the list of incident. I also implemented a search function Visual dynamic. So it can be anything. CP, CP. Okay. So let's want to demonstrate how to add a new incident. So we just use the form filler. Okay. Then if there's photos of any, let's go. Okay, here. I just put the same image for demonstration purpose. So this is the department name, the project site where the project is located, title of the incident report, the date of the incident, the time of the incident, the location of the incident, the description of the incident, photos if there are any. Next, the particulars of the incident, the name, the IC, nationality, company, trades, total loss days, incident type. Can also add if there are more than one injured person, witnesses details, the name, the company, any remarks like what the witnesses have saw. The witnesses maybe they have something to say. It can be recorded and wrote here. Can also add if there are more than one witnesses and some notes. Okay, just take this and press out. Well, it's taking a while because okay, now it's done. Now, so after the any user have inserted a new incident details, as can be seen here, look, all user that with the email, all user that are not admin will receive an incident notification report at their email. This will indicate that there is an incident happening at a particular day. Okay, I'll just close this. So updation can also be done. Okay, this is the random image that I that is set earlier. Uh, and I think yes. Okay, now I'll demonstrate the incident investigation. Right. So uh, this is the latest incident right here. I just start. So this is when incident happened, and then a company will usually send a group of employees to investigate the incident. They need to identify what happened, how it can happen. This is for to improve their safety later on. So the first group leader's name will be it has to be the user of the system. And we write here, this is all the user of the system and their roles. Let's say the investigation team will be me. You can have up to 5 team members. So all members can be anyone, maybe the other system user, or maybe just an employee with no pangkat, as we say in Malay, the lower tier employee. Okay, now for the term of reference, okay, let's delete this. Okay, this refers to the site of the incident. Okay, I'll just add an image, maybe this image of a dog. I don't have any incident image because it is rather graphic. It's not proper for me to show it. So and then a copy of the header. So before submitting this form, the group leader here need to do a research and find the related high-rank document to the incident. Let's say that the related hierarchical document is this force work and scaffolding temporary structure. Okay, this method, the group leader have performed interview victims or witnesses, and this is the category of the incident. Can be it might be factor. This is fetched from the original incident data. This is also fetched from the original incident data, and then this is the description of the property damage. I'll just say maybe this. Now, how and why the incident occurred? So, since the incident has already happened, the 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 team leader needs to draw how the incident has happened. This is because this is the only way to visualize how the incident has happened. Unless which is rare that they have a video of how the incident occurred, like like someone has pop up their phone and then record it as it is happening, but that is very unlikely. So the drawing needs to be done. I hope this can be understood. This is at first I was like, it absolutely blew my mind how that this drawing is used, but there is a reason that the company has implemented it like that. So maybe I'll choose it's a random image since I'm not good at drawing. Okay, maybe I'll choose this just analysis. And then explanation like how it happened, person fell into the and the findings like the findings of their investigation. Person careless and like that. And then the status maybe it's finished. Okay, then we can submit. Incident investigation data saved successfully. Okay, so this is the incident that I have prepared just now. Okay, we can start. For the part B. Okay, as can be seen here, this is the non-corrective action. So this for the second part B. Now we need to input if there are any non-corrective actions that has been done. This refers to things that are not being done correctly. And then we also have mitigative actions. Mitigative action refers to the actions that future actions that can be implemented in order to mitigate this from happening. And then for opportunities for continual improvements, if there are any continual improvements that can be made, a penalty refers to the employees, like maybe Ahmad is doing something wrong which causes the incident. So Ahmad will receive a penalty. Uh, so the result it is for information informed purposes. So have the results been communicated to the safety committee, which include the project manager, the safety health officer, the safety supervisor, the project management manager, the staffs, and others related parties. So here, show the date here. This is just random. I hope this can be understood. Oh, am I right? So this form can only the part B form can only be filled by the SHO. So the current user is the SHO. Okay, so if both of this is done, only then can the print function works. Let's print here. Should be an error. Okay, so team really need to sign form A. Let's see form A. I have to sign here. And then if I press print, it should work. Let's see. Okay. So this is the report. The details of the report. We also have the reference number, the site of the incident, a copy of IRAC. It's here. This is data that we have keyed in just now. The signs, the user signature. Okay, this for the party, and the attachments for this. I don't remember ref KS10UE. This is the start of the incident. It should happen. This is the what is this? This should be the drawing. And here, this is the copy of the highlight. This reference number, and that is it for the incident investigation. Let's move on to the safety analysis. So for the safety analysis, it is straightforward. It is the total of fatality, the current month, the lost time incident, at the current month, previous month, the year to date, total lost days, frequency rate, severity rate, total man hours work, average workers per day, and near misses. This is for analysis purposes. Let's see. Hmm. Let's see. It is like this. It's like this. Date, right month, there's one incident happening. This is so for demo purposes, I've put all the incidents to 2025 with reasons. So here, so during the current month, during May, during the month May 2025, there's 3 fatality, 7 lost time incidents, 0 non-lost time incidents, 38 total days lost due to the incidents. The severity rate is high, it's 31. Total man hours work, okay, near misses. This is for the previous month. Previous month. This is for the year to date. This is basically means from from the current month of the year until the beginning of the year. So how many has happened? How many fatality has happened? How many lost time accidents has happened? How many non lost time accidents has happened? Okay. So this is the for visualization purposes. Sorry. So let's go to fatality. During the current month, there's 3. The year to date, there's 4. The amount registered by, okay. So Anastazry has inserted many data, many incidents. And I think that is it for the monthly safety analysis. Okay, now let's move on to the approved forms. So this depends on the type of user. So only the SHO and the manager can verify a form or approve a form. So let's try with this form. So since the user is the SHO, So they can only verify. Okay, if it is done, the red mark will be displayed. So it cannot be downloaded yet because it needs to be approved by the project manager. Now I demonstrate the project manager is sorry. Okay, this is the project manager. Project manager will then approve this. Simple signature. And next. Okay, so both are done. Both are done here. Only then can the form be downloaded. So this is the form. Since only one data here, so it's just like this. And I think that is it. Thank you.